kakati agambye agenda kutandika okuyimba era alaunchinze music we ayagala kubisanya Nwagi gwe nali mukozi wano mpisa bubi, so something like that. So katugenda gifuna. Thank you so much for being a part of the show. Kaunyam 360 bweto kale katusinkana olunaku olujja mukama bankumire. Bye bye. Ono mwana mukabizi bali, omwana mukabizi bali. Shalala, zekolu na di big daddy, tokimira di big daddy. So don't be me up beno, so don't be me up beno. I'm by the name of Lord Sunny, artist. My real name is Waswa Hassan. And I was born in Kampala, and I'm so happy to see all of you guys here. It's been a pleasure. I'm so happy and humbled to be part of the Mosh Entertainment, and I'm really going to serve you guys, and I won't disappoint you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm very happy that everyone is here. I'm so grateful that I'm among the Mosh International. My name is Nimesiga Patience, aka Peshmelon. I'm an artist. I joined Mosh International. I did join, but he signed me for music, to produce music, and I promise I won't disappoint him. And I'm so happy that he chose me. Mbe musawo owo kumpia Ronnie your outer Mosh ends.